you ever imagined a tool that turns idea of any scale into reality without restrictions of limited space? Goliath is a CNC portable robot that moves autonomously and can be placed directly on your work surface. Goliath flexibility makes it much more affordable than a work center, both for carpentries and shared workspaces such as fab labs, schools and universities.
Goliath CNC for me is interesting in terms of being able to produce very quickly custom designs or more spontaneously to be able to change our ideas and put them into practice as quick as possible.
Quando ho visto Goliath la prima volta sono rimasto soprattutto impressionato dalla versatilità e l'illimitato campo di lavoro.
Especially due to the size of the machine, we don't have to have it fixed in one place, so we can use it in lots of different areas in the workshop.
Electric hand planer. The 6-amp motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute through even the hardest of woods. While most of our competitors have a maximum depth of 5/64 of an inch, the Win planer exhibits 16 positive stops in 1/128th inch increments to fine-tune your cuts anywhere up to 1/8 of an inch deep. The Win electric hand planer also comes with a handy dust collection bag that can be attached to either the right or left-hand side of the planer, an adjustment wrench with onboard storage, a kickstand to protect your blade, a rabbiting guide to help measure the depth of your rabbets, and a parallel fix for making perfectly straight cuts. The base of the plate even has a V-shaped groove to help make chamfering the corners of your wood easier than ever. And if you have a dust extractor, you can plug it right into either side of your unit to maximize the collection of sawdust and keep your work area clean. Remember when you had a reliable planer that gave you years of quality?
Is that a toolbox?
No, it's the cool box.
This can charge your phone?
Yeah, it's got a built-in rechargeable battery.
Nice.
Yeah, it has wireless Bluetooth speakers on the front. Just like that. Pass-through power.
Cool.
Ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
These wheels do make it easier to move around.
And done. What's next?
Step number 6 coming up. Gotta love this tablet stand.
You finished?
All done. Crack me a cold one.
Cheers. Cheers.
It's getting pretty dark out. You got an extra light?
Yeah, I got LED lights on this.
No, that's cool.
Want to put these on the magnetic lid for me?
No problem, Dad.
Sturdy lifting handles too? Okay, honey, I approve.
Yep. Pretty much does everything.
DS30 is the one cable, one button portable scanner that works everywhere you do. Business cards, handwritten notes, and receipts scan to email, FTP, and your hard drive, or even straight to the cloud with Google Docs, SharePoint, and Evernote. Conveniently capture patient information, doctor's orders, or any other critical information right where your patients are. Legal-size document scanning can be a busy realtor's best friend. Scan directly to searchable PDFs and get deals done without delay. Epson image quality, cloud scanning, and exceptional portability make the Epson Workforce DS30 portable scanner the perfect business partner.